Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen with me, Debbie. How are you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm making something simple. I have a lot of mom followers on social media because of my mom's building wealth, and they like to ask for simple, quick dishes. So this is one of them. Today I'm making some tomato garlic shrimp with some pasta. I already have my pasta over here cooking. I wanted angel hair pasta. Unfortunately, when I went to Aldi's today, I had to get, no, actually this is angel hair pasta. I wanted, oh gosh, I don't remember, you know that thicker pasta? They didn't have it. Okay, so over here, I already have a stick and a half of butter started melting slowly. My vegetables right here. Yeah, Jay just whispered fettuccine. That would be nice, but not today. I have onion, garlic, tomatoes, and the reason I have the bell pepper here is optional is because I found 2 small pieces of each, the green and the yellow, in the fridge, and I thought let's just use it up in something that it can go with rather than let it sit there and going bad. So the bell peppers are optional. Over here I have a pound of large shrimp that's been peeled and deveined. And what I did, you know, a lot of people, when they cook, people cook seafood, they like to squeeze lemon juice in it. I've done that before because especially my husband likes it like that, or you squeeze the lemon juice afterward. My palate is not a fan of lemon flavor unless it's like in my drink. So what I did was I soak it in the lemon juice for about 5 minutes, and now I'm going to season them up lightly. Let me turn this up so the butter can melt. With the butter, I have a stick of butter, and I have about a 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And I'm going to season up the shrimp lightly. So this is a bit of salt. What is this? Garlic powder. I was going to make Alfredo because I know you like that cheesy stuff, but you know Chris doesn't care for it. And then this is onion powder. Next time we'll make some Alfredo shrimp bake or Alfredo chicken bake, alright? A little bit of paprika. And red pepper flakes. I may add a little bit more of this later on. Tell you guys all the time, Jade is a knack for spicy food. You would think she was raised with my mom in Jamaica. Ooh. Okay. Alright, let me wash my hands and come right back. So guys, not only did I wash my hands, but I removed the pasta from the pot and have it in the sink, cooling in cold water. So now that the butter is melted, let's saute the onions and the garlic. I'm gonna add some more garlic. Of course, that was 2 cloves of garlic that I diced. As I was dicing the garlic, I remember I had this already, so I'm just gonna use some of this because you want it to be garlicky, so I'm using some store-bought garlic also. Turn this up a little bit. Okay, you're gonna cook this for like 2 to 3 minutes until the onions are soft, translucent. So I'll be back in about 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, I also added the tomatoes and the little bit of bell peppers I had to the pot, and they've just been sauteing together really well. Getting ready to add my shrimp in there now. This thing just keeps starting on this burner. What is that? I also drained my pasta over here. Now I see a lot of people when they cook pasta, they put oil in the pot to prevent your pasta from sticking, but you really don't need to do that. While you're putting the pasta in the boiling water, you need to be stirring it and separating them at that time. And don't overcook your pasta. Use the instructions on the box, which I believe is 10 to 12 minutes. So what I do, because I'm going to add it in here in this heat, I cook it for maybe 8 minutes. And then after I drain it in the sink, then in the pot here, I added a little bit of olive oil and toss it to prevent sticking. Because you don't want to drain oily water down your sink. So I don't put water in there while I'm cooking it. So that's the key to making, see? Look at that. Okay, so let's get back to our shrimp. I'm going to cook this for maybe 10 minutes until the shrimp is cooked. And come back and I think I'm going to add the pasta inside of it and toss it really well with some parsley. And I'll see you back in a little bit, guys. Okay, guys, so we're back. What I've done since the last time you saw me, I saved a little bit of the water from the pasta, maybe about a half a cup that I added, and I tasted the broth and it needed a little bit more seasoning, so I've added a little bit more seasonings. All the other ones that I used for the shrimp, but I think I realized that I may have left black pepper out, so I added more black pepper. I added more onion powder, more garlic powder, and here I am, adding Jade's favorite, red pepper flakes. And my parsley is somewhere that I need to add on here too. Now the pasta, the box, I've never seen it come this large before. It's 32 ounces, which means it's 2 pounds. I was trying to just cook half of it, which is 1 pound, but I may have cooked too much. Anyway, my hands is very clean, so I'm gonna add some pasta in here. You don't have to add it in. You can, you know, serve it on the top. I want to add it in. I'm gonna turn the heat off while I add the pasta in. This seems like too much pasta, so I may have enough left over to make Jade some, what did you say you want again? Some chicken. Chicken is fine, it doesn't have to be shrimp, right? Some chicken Alfredo pasta baked tomorrow. Okay. So, here we go. I need something else to stir this. This is not gonna work. Let me just grab a plate, tell you, in my kitchen bag. Okay. There. I put the parsley somewhere. Where did I put the parsley? I probably put it back. Put it back. This smells so good, that garlic. I'm just smelling that garlic. It smells so good. It's over here. I'm gonna put the rest of the pasta in the fridge, in a bag. See, guys, if you did what I did and you have the extra pasta, even if you don't need it the next day, you can put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer for about a week. Okay, so that's good. I just need my parsley flakes. Oh, here it is. Okay. Also, okay. Ready to eat, Jade? You know they can't see you, so you can talk, right? Except for my Facebook friends who already know what you look like. Okay, and let's garnish with a little bit of green onions. You that like to eat these, not a fan of them. And so, guys, this is just a simple 30-minute pasta and shrimp dish. Okay, guys, I thank you so much for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you like my videos. I appreciate the support very much. God bless you and your family. From my family to yours, from my kitchen to yours. Have a wonderful